Now, National Guard troops will start vaccinating some of the most vulnerable in St. Louis. And News 4's Emma Hogue reports the St. Louis Urban League will play a major role in getting the mission done.
Starting tomorrow, the Urban League will be working alongside the National Guard to eventually vaccinate 500 senior citizens. Now, this is big because for weeks, senior citizens living in St. Louis say vaccine has been nearly impossible to get, including one man who's driving over an hour to get his dose.
I'm just thrilled that I've got an appointment, but for other people, they need to get more vaccines out. They need to get them in St. Louis County and St. Louis City as soon as possible. There's a lot of people that are trying hard to get it and are frustrated and have the medical conditions and age requirements that need them.
Glazer was able to get an appointment at a National Guard site in Washington County, but again tomorrow, the National Guard is finally bringing some of those efforts to St. Louis. The Urban League will work with the state to go inside senior living communities over the coming days and weeks. They'll start tomorrow at Mackler Shepherd Senior Apartments in North City. The goal is to hit the populations that are medically underserved. Now, for weeks, many of you have complained, saying there aren't enough vaccines in St. Louis and that it's all going to the rural areas. State leaders say vaccine supply in different parts of the state will ebb and flow over the next few weeks and months. The state says many seniors who are eligible live in more rural areas. The state is using a vaccine navigator tool to help streamline the pre-registration process.
One of the things that we did was we stood up that vaccine navigator, again located at www.stopscovid.mo.com. And we did that with the purpose of helping Missourians to connect with vaccine in their area. Now then, one of the limitations that we do have in that system is that you can only sign up to get notification of events within your region. That does not preclude you, however, from necessarily getting onto a registration event or to be registered for an event that's not in your region.
Again, you can pre-register in as many places as you'd like, but if you only pre-register on that vaccine navigator, you'll only be notified about events that are happening close to where you live. Now, in the next month, we do expect the state to get more vaccine from the federal government. They're hoping that increases supply and ramps up their efforts to vaccinate people dramatically by spring. Reporting in North St. Louis tonight, Emma Hogue, News 4.